Hi everyone! Welcome back to English Learner. I'm Anna and I'm so happy to be here again. How's it going, Tom?
Hey, Anna. Hey, everyone listening. I'm doing great, thanks. You know what's funny? I was just scrolling through Instagram before we started recording.
Oh, really? That's actually perfect because today we're talking about something we all use every single day, social media.
Exactly. Social media is everywhere now. People wake up and check their phones before even getting out of bed. It's like the first thing most of us do in the morning.
Guilty. I do that sometimes too. I tell myself just 5 minutes, but suddenly it's 20 or 30 minutes later, and I'm still watching videos or reading comments.
Same here. My favorite app is YouTube. I can watch music videos, English lessons, travel vlogs, or even short documentaries. But once I start, I can't stop. It's like a black hole of entertainment.
Oh, yes, YouTube is so addictive. For me, it's TikTok. I love watching short clips, cooking, funny cats, travel, and even English learning videos. But I always end up watching too many. Sometimes I forget what time it is.
Yeah, those short videos are dangerous. They're only like 15 seconds, but they never end. You scroll and the next one comes right away, and before you know it, an hour or more has gone by.
I know. It's crazy how the algorithm knows what we like. If I watch one video about food, I'll suddenly see 10 more about food. It feels like it's reading my mind.
It totally does. But social media isn't all bad. It's actually helped me a lot. I met some amazing people online, and I've learned so many new things too.
That's so true. I follow a lot of English pages, travel accounts, and motivational speakers. They always inspire me to do better and learn more. Sometimes I even write down new words I learn from posts so I can practice them later.
That's a good idea. I remember when I wanted to learn guitar, I just searched on YouTube and I found thousands of tutorials for free. That's amazing. I never had to pay for lessons and I could learn at my own pace.
Wow, that's great. I once learned how to bake cookies from a YouTube video. They didn't look perfect, but they tasted delicious.
That's awesome. But I think sometimes social media makes people feel a bit stressed too, right? Like when we compare ourselves to others.
Yes, definitely. People usually post their best moments, perfect selfies, beautiful vacations, and happy times, but they don't show the hard parts. That can make others feel like they're not good enough.
Exactly. It can make you feel like your life isn't as exciting, even though everyone has ups and downs. I think it's important to remember that what we see online isn't the full story.
That's why I like following people who are real and honest. Some influencers show behind the scenes moments, like when things don't go as planned. That feels more human and relatable.
Yeah, I prefer that too. I don't like it when everything looks too perfect. Real life is messy sometimes, and that's okay.
Totally. And speaking of real life, I once posted an embarrassing photo by mistake.
Really? What happened?
Okay, so I wanted to post a picture of my lunch. It looked really nice, but instead I accidentally posted a photo of my messy kitchen before I cleaned it. Everyone saw it before I deleted it.
No, that's hilarious.
Yeah, my friends were laughing for days. They commented like, "Wow, so artistic."
That's so funny. I once posted something embarrassing too. I meant to send a private message to my friend, but I accidentally posted it on my story. It was a funny face selfie with a weird caption.
Oh no! Did people see it?
Yes, about 20 people saw it before I took it down. One of them even replied, "Nice face, Tom."
That's the thing about social media. Once it's out there, you can't take it back right away.
Exactly. That's why I double check before posting anything now.
Same here. But even with those little mistakes, I still love using social media. It's such a big part of our daily life.
Yeah, it helps us stay connected. I use it to talk to my family who live far away. We send photos, share funny videos, and keep up with each other's lives.
Me too. My cousins live in another country, and without social media, it would be so hard to stay in touch. Sometimes we even do video calls through Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp.
And it's also a great place for creativity. So many people share art, dance, music, and small businesses online. It's a chance for anyone to show their talent and even start a career.
Yes, I follow a few small artists who started posting their drawings, and now they sell them to people all over the world. That's amazing.
It really is. And I love how social media can also be used for learning. There's so many pages that teach English, science, cooking, or history in short videos. It's fun and educational at the same time.
That's right. I even follow pages that give daily English tips. They help me improve vocabulary, pronunciation, and idioms. It feels like learning while relaxing.
Oh, and speaking of learning, I saw a comment on our last episode from a listener, Sarah. She said she's using TikTok to learn English slang. That's such a creative idea.
Wow, that's smart. I also read a comment from David. He said he watches English YouTube channels for cooking, so he learns new words while trying recipes. That's learning and having fun at the same time.
I love hearing these stories from our listeners. It shows that social media can be really useful if you use it the right way.
Definitely. But I think we should also remember to take breaks sometimes, too. Too much scrolling can make us tired or even affect our sleep.
I agree. I try to do that on weekends. One day without social media makes me feel calm, focused, and more creative.
That's a good habit. Maybe I should try that too. I think everyone should have some no phone time every day.
Yeah, maybe before bed or during meals. It helps us be more present and enjoy real life moments.
That's right. Social media is fun and useful, but real life is still more important.
Exactly. And before we finish, I want to share a small tip. If you like social media, but want to use it wisely, try making a list of the pages you really enjoy or that help you learn something. That way, you're not wasting time on random scrolling.
Great tip. And maybe set a timer for how long you scroll each day. It can help you enjoy social media without letting it take over your life.
So, listeners, how about you? What's your favorite social media app? And have you ever posted something funny or embarrassing by accident?
Yes, tell us your stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear them.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, use social media wisely. Follow positive pages, learn something new, and don't let the internet take all your time.
Great advice, Anna. Social media should make your life better, not stressful.
Exactly. Thank you so much for listening to English Learner.
We hope you enjoyed this episode and maybe learned a few new English words too.
Stay kind online, take breaks when you need them, and keep practicing your English every day.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.